311. It's going to be on the, I guess, northbound side. I'll have to flip around to the gym and go underneath anytime.
.44, half of it's on the north, half of it's on the southbound side. It's possibly a tanker. Back up 233.
.22 to 44, do I need to shut the loop down to 2-lane and divert everything onto the feeder?
10-4. We also need it shut down on the southbound or the northbound side as well.
So here to help me, I'm in front of IHOP. There's so many cars. 10-14, 46.
Is that traffic for me?
Somebody yelling?
Here's my yell.
10-4-53, where you need me? Come on, just north of the 2-lane.
I hear somebody yelling.
Get in the inside lane, start pushing everybody over to the outside lane so I can run them off the exit here. 244.
I think we can hear the driver yelling from the cab. He's on the southbound side. Shit, I don't want to sit here. Come on.
37, be advised, we do see some flames here on the northbound side.
Yeah, he's yelling.
I don't want to freaking sit here.
Yeah, he's yelling for help.
Carter, is he hollering like he's in distress? Here, we're going to go ahead and approach the cab.
Hey, hug this wall.
All right.
From the cab.
10-4, 233. We can hear him. We can see him.
Okay, let's get him out of here. Let's get him out of here. Come on, brother. All right, let's go.
All right, let's carry him.
Here, give me your wrist. Give me your wrist. I know you're hurting. Ready? Go.
Hold on, man. We're getting you out of here.
Go ahead. I know you're hurting. Keep going.
We gotta get in.
Let me walk.
No. We're getting you out of here, man.
Please let me walk, please.
Can you walk?
Please.
Try and walk. Let's see. Can you walk?
Wait.
Come on. Stand up. Let's go. Your tank is on fire.
Let me stand him up for a little bit. Stand.
No, man.
I think we'll do it right now.
Can you get his upper body? Get his upper body.
Hey, well, come on down here. You can flag traffic down here where I'm at.
Get his upper body. Ready?
Hold on. Let me stand on first.
Sit him up.
No.
Underneath. Go underneath his arms. Underneath his arms. Grab his wrist. Each wrist. Grab one. Ready? Keep on. Good here. It's just that.
Okay.
233. Be advised, he was carrying orange juice.
Huh?
He said he was carrying orange juice.
Oh, is what was in the tank?
Here, all units. Tanker is carrying orange juice.